Hey guys, welcome back to Pi42 Exchange. Today we are going to talk about order block and imbalance trading strategy. This is a powerful method used by institutional traders to catch big market moves. Stick around to learn what order blocks and imbalances are, how to spot them, and a step-by-step trading plan. What are order blocks? So, what's an order block? It's a price zone where big players like institutions place massive buy or sell orders. These zones act like magnets for price, often becoming support or resistance. There are two types. Bullish order blocks typically form at the end of a downtrend or during a retracement. It's where smart money accumulates positions before pushing price higher. When you see a bullish order block, like in this chart, notice how the price had been in a downtrend or a consolidation phase. Suddenly, a big green candle appears showing aggressive buying. But here's the catch. Before that candle, there is usually a final red candle, where institutions are secretly accumulating their long positions. That last red candle becomes the bullish order block. It's the zone where price is likely to return and bounce again because that's where smart money placed their bets. Now, bearish order blocks usually appear at the end of an uptrend or in a pullback. It's when institutional selling begins before a price drop. Take a look at the bearish order block in this chart. This time the market was going up, maybe even trapping retail traders into thinking the uptrend would continue. But then comes a strong red candle, reversing the momentum. Just like the bullish case, the last green candle before the drop becomes the bearish order block. This is where smart money started distributing their positions, selling to late buyers. Next up, let's talk about imbalances, also called fair value gaps. These happen when the market moves so fast that it leaves a gap in price action, an area where orders were not fully filled. These occur when price moves aggressively in one direction, often leaving behind a gap where no trades happened, meaning the market didn't have time to balance buyers and sellers. In the chart you see here, look at the green candle in the middle of the move. It's so powerful. It completely skips over the prior range, creating an empty zone. No overlap between the candle before and after it. That is an imbalance. Now, why does this matter? Well, markets love to be efficient. They often come back to fill the gap, returning to that imbalance zone before continuing the trend. Traders use this as a confirmation of trend or even as entry or exit zones. And guess what? These imbalances often appear right after a big move out of an order block. That's your double confirmation. Order block for the setup and imbalance for the reaction. The trading strategy. Alright, let's put it all together with a simple order block and imbalance trading strategy. Here is how to trade it. Follow step by step. Step 1. Identify the trend. Use a higher time frame like the daily or a 4-hour chart to spot the market's direction. Is it bullish, bearish, or ranging? You can use moving averages or see market structure like higher highs or lower highs to identify the trend. Step 2. Find an order block and confirm the imbalance. Look for a bullish order block in a downtrend or a bearish one in an uptrend. Mark it as your demand zone. Make sure it has a liquidity sweep, like a fake out below a low and a sharp move afterward. Check for a fair value gap after the order blocks move. This confirms institutional activity. You can zoom into a lower time frame, like the 15-minute chart, to spot the gap clearly. Step 3. Enter the trade. Wait for the price to approach either the fair value gap or the order block. Watch how the price reacts in these zones. If a bullish pin bar or engulfing candle forms at the FVG and there is a confluence from indicators like RSI showing oversold or bullish divergence, consider entering a buy trade at the FVG. If no strong reaction occurs at the FVG, wait for the price to retest the order block. Now, look again for a price action signal like a pin bar or an engulfing candle. Set your stop loss just below the order block and aim for the swing high for your take profit. Step 4. Manage risk. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade. Use multi-time frame analysis to avoid false signals and be patient for a high probability setup. Combine order blocks with tools like volume or moving averages for extra confirmation. And avoid these mistakes. Don't trade over blocks that have already been retested. They are likely invalid. Don't ignore the trend. Always trade in the direction of the market's flow. That's it for today's video on the order block and imbalance strategy. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more trading strategies.